Hi guys, Wendy here. In this video, we're going to draw my Draw So Cute cinnamon roll. So let's get started. With this cinnamon roll, we're going to first start by drawing a swirl. So I'm going to start right here at the top of the cinnamon in the center, and I'm going to basically just draw a swirl all the way around. And keep going. And it's kind of getting bigger as we come lower, and then I'm just going to tuck this back in right here. So there, that's the first shape that we want to draw. And then from there, I'm going to come to about right here in this edge, and I'm going to draw a curve down. So now we're going to start to draw the body of the cinnamon roll. So right here as well, I'm going to come down. Nice and round. Come all the way down. And from there, I'm going to start to tuck it in and bring it back. And connect it. There. So we got a basic shape of this cinnamon roll in. So then from here, about this area right here, I'm going to start to draw the glaze that's kind of dripped over. And so I'm going to come here, pop it out a little bit, and I'm just going to come in here and just draw my drizzle going up and down as we go across. And come back up. So there, I got the drizzle in for the glaze, and then I'm going to come up here in this layer and just add some drizzle as well. So just come in here and add two little curves and just tuck it back in. So then when you're coloring it, you can use the darker brown and mix some of these edges a little bit thicker with the brown, so where there's more cinnamon when you're coloring it. So then from there, let's bring it to life. So right here, I'm going to add some Draw So Cute eyes. So right here, we add a big circle. And another one right across. And I'm going to add two small highlights, so two small circles inside, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. If you love the cinnamon roll, please make sure to check out my breakfast playlist or my sweets playlist, dessert sweets playlist. Okay, then lines at the bottom as well over here. So I've got two Draw So Cute eyes in, and let's come back up here and just add two little curves at the top to anchor the eyes, and right here in the center, add a cute little smile and cap it off. And once again, if you want to add cheeks right here, you would add it right here when you're coloring. And let's see, that is pretty much it. Very simple, right? I hope so. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love this cute little cinnamon roll, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.